Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to log in my Facebook account and it shows login error and unexpected error occurred. Please try logging in again. And this message is again and again occurring if I try to log in my Facebook account. So how to fix this issue? So all the YouTube video shows just clear that Facebook app data and then try to log in your same Facebook account. So finally this problem is fixed. But my video is slightly different. So what is it? So if you get this message, just one time reset your Facebook account password. So by simply press this option, forget password. And then it asks for my Facebook account link to mobile number. So just put it. So otherwise, if you already linked your Gmail with Facebook, just press search by your email instead. And then put your Gmail ID. But here I try to put my mobile number. And then press find your account. So finally they show my Facebook account. So if this is your account, just press login. And my account is successfully logged in. And my newsfeed is also ready. And this is one of the way to reach your Facebook account. So anyway, if maybe this trick not works for you, just try this another method. So first of all, force stop this Facebook mobile application. And then install this Facebook Lite application from your Play Store. So once the installation is completed, just click to open it. So and then try to log in your Facebook account. So if maybe again it shows that same error message, just follow that same password reset method. So by simply press forgotten password and then put your mobile number. And finally they show my Facebook account. So I hope the second method will work 100%. So anyway, if maybe this trick not works for you, just put the one comment. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts. And thanks for watching.